Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Rocket Money app for bill tracking and budgeting, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Rocket Money app for bill tracking and budgeting, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Rocket Money. Press the search icon to begin the search. Look for the app with the Rocket Money logo. Make sure it is the official app developed by Rocket Money Incorporated. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the apps page. You will see an Install button for Android or a Get button for iOS. Tap the Install or Get button to begin the download process. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account password. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Rocket Money icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Rocket Money icon to open the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. This may include entering your email address and creating a password. After completing the setup, grant the app any necessary permissions. This may involve allowing access to your bank accounts or financial data. Once permissions are granted, explore the app to set up your budgeting goals. You are now ready to use Rocket Money for bill tracking and budgeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.